Alright, this video is the number 10 ST Math module, solving one-step equations, and we're going into the third set of activities, solve equations. Okay, there are 4 modules or 4 activity layers to get through, and number 1, here we go. Okay, in this case they give you a variable, a known amount, and a total. And then they give you some squares down here to help you determine or identify the value of x. So the value of x will be the number of squares it takes to add to 10 to get to 11. So in this case, the value of x would be 1. And it shows you that 1 square plus 10 squares gives you a total of 11 squares. Okay. In this case, they want to know the value of y in order to get 9 up to 12. So y plus 9 equals 12. So in this case, you would have 3 because 12 take away 9 is 3. Okay, 6 plus z equals 9. If we subtract 6 from both sides of the equation, 6 take away 6 leaves us with z. 9 take away 6 leaves us with 3, which would be the value of z. So 6 plus 3 tells us that we get a value of 9. Okay, let's back on out, and we're going to go up to the second set of activities. You'll notice that we have 4 times x equals 20. So 4 times some value of x, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20. So that tells us that we can solve the missing value through division. Two times some number equals 4. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And there you go. So the important part in this layer is to know that you have the coefficient of 2. 2 times y equals 8. If you divide 8 by 2, you get 4. So 8 divided by 2 would leave you with 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. So let's back on out, and we'll go up to layer 3. Okay, now a little bit different here. We have an equation, and we see that we have z, or the variable plus 1, equals 4 plus 1. So you want to balance this equation by picking a number or an amount for the value of z that would give you the same equal number on both sides. So in this case, you know that we have 4. Whoops. Alright, we want to balance the equation, and in this case it's 8 plus y equals 8 plus 4. If we were to eliminate the 4 from each side, we would see that 8 minus 4 would give us 4. 8 minus 4 would give us the value that we need. Alright, z plus 10 equals 6 plus 10. Okay, 6 plus 10 is 16, so we'd want to add something to 10 to give us the same value of 16. And in this case, we know that it's going to be 6. Okay, so the value of z is 6. Okay, and we want to balance this equation by finding the value of x. Well, in this case, we know that 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 will have to give us 4 over here as well, so we find 4 as the value of x. And there you have it for this layer. Oh, that was wrong. Gigi's sending me back. I gotta, alright. So we have 1 plus 3 equals 4. We have to add 3 over here to keep the equation balanced. Let's see if I got it right this time. Ah, there we go. Now I'm back on track. I'm going to try one more. Okay? So what I do over here, I need to do over here. I need to keep things balanced in terms of value. 4 plus x, 4 plus 4. So this has to be 4 over here. And there we go. Okay, let's go on out. And I believe we are done then. Okay, we are done with this layer. Alright.